Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Send it to the website, but at least let us see the receipt. Yes, and God bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, over to you.
Good evening, my PM, the Dragon himself. To support what Mazi Mbajog said, I was being removed for no just cause. On the 20th of March, Mazuche, he was here because Aero Machine tarnished my name. At last, a meeting was being called and he rendered an apology. Then on the 4th of April, he removed my name from executive, and on the 1st of June, he removed my name from the platform. Sonia Barawa, who is here, is a living witness. I always come to fundraising and I pay my distance, and I'm at 1,000 men. So he himself is the admin. I don't think he contributes more than me. So I don't see why I went astray, you know. So he is saying that people are not paying. You asked us last time when you were here, you say, oh, there are so many people in Italy, but why don't we appear at the fundraising? For that, this year, I decided just to come there and announce my distance and send directly my receipt to Sonia Barawa. So I don't want to send it to him because it will be, I did accounting. It will be a double distance because Barawa will keep his own distance and he will keep. Then why should I double it? He just removed me for no just cost. So he will not say that.
It is still boils down to the same complaint.
Yeah.
You can't be sending your receipt to Barawa and expecting.
I said because he said PM.
You don't know that you are paying. Please,
I'm sorry, you met me in Finland. I was at Finland.
Please, I'm talking. Can I address you, please? What you just explained now solved the problem. You are paying, sending to Sonia Barawa.
PM, this is me and you at Finland. He called me a sub. I will send you the.
Can you please meet?
Yes.
You are paying and send the receipt to Akbarawa. That is not right. It means you have some unsettled issue with the leadership in Italy. So, and you don't expect the person or Sonia Akbarawa to forward the receipt that he received from you to Italy admin, for the Italy admin to know that you are paying and then add you back to the group. It doesn't work like that. So you must send your receipt to him, and that means you are loyal to the Italy family. But in the absence of this, and the person says you are not paying, so you have to be removed, you can't forward that particular opinion because he doesn't know that you are paying because you don't send the receipt to him. So if you want to be added to the group, you follow the due process which everybody in Italy is following. Pay, even though you are not talking to the person. You are not doing this for him. You are not also doing it for me. So showing my picture and you doesn't change anything because this is not for me. You are fighting for yourself. This freedom is not for Simon Ekpa, it's for yourself. So, and when you are sending receipt to him, you are not doing it to him. You are only showing what you have done for the freedom of Biafra and for yourself. So forward the receipt to him, and he did not add you, then you have a case. And that case is, why is he not adding you when you have paid? Like he said here, that two persons paid and contacted him and wanted to clear their debt, and after that they added, he added them back. So you are paying, he's not aware of it. So you can't blame him for that. So first of all, you need to understand that the person that is there is representing me. So if you are respecting me, you respect the people appointed in Italy to handle the affair of Italy. And that I don't want to have you speak here again. You have to first of all respect them, because they are the people that are appointed. So that you cannot come here to respect me when you don't respect the people that are working under my command. Thank you. So go solve this problem first. Go back there and forward the receipt to them. Even if you don't want to talk to them, forward the receipt to them, and then after that, you are going to solve whatever differences you have, and let this thing continue from there. So don't come here and respect me. You disrespect the people that are working under the government, under my appointment. I don't accept that. Thank you.
Thank you. We move. And this, what PM said applies to every country and continent and admins and reps. If you're sending your receipt to us, it's just for announcement. That's why we advise, go back and identify yourself with your country of license, so that when anything happens, you can be certified from there. We go to Shanshan Baby.
And also to add to this, people should understand there are some things that will come, that will happen, even if you are paying. We want you to get clearance from your admin. Of course, in the some issues like this, we can see the evidence of your payment directly from the government IT department. So, but in some cases, there are, of course, some of you that are already established may never, have that kind of problem. But those who are still looking for documents, who are still looking for paper, and maybe they are paying through somebody, so we can't find your information in the database. So if this kind of thing happen, if you are in such situation and you are not paying through the liaison office, or at least let them have the receipt of your payment, we will ask you to go and get clearance to show that you are paying, because we don't see your name. We see the name of the person that you are using to pay. So these are the things that, somebody like Nenaya may not have that problem, but in our own case, you must go and identify with the people. Even if you don't want to talk to them, send your receipt to them. The same way you send it to Sonny, it doesn't matter. Forget about whether we're going to have problem having a double calculation or anything. It is our problem, not your problem. Send the receipt to Sonny, send it to the admin as well. So if they want to announce it, they announce it, and in Italy as well, it doesn't matter. What matters is that the money actually comes to the government account. Thank you. So Sonny, go ahead, please.
Over to you. Shanshan Baby, over to you. Sir.
Hello, good evening, my PM. No, is this our brother? There is one of our brother that is called Azubike. I saw him here. So I wanted to ask whether this Azubike should come back to ask the question. I want to know what he want to ask, because when I was asked.
Please. The Prime Minister has overruled or ruled on this matter. We are not going back there. If there is any issue within your license or your country, go back to your admin. Your admin will liaise with the rep, and everything will be solved. Please. And every Biafran must identify with his or her license offices. It's very, very important, because that is like the intermediary embassy body that serves your documentation. Anything happens here and there, we will refer back there. Now you're processing your ID cards. We will not post your ID card directly to your homes. Every ID card will be posted to the license offices, and you have to go through the license office, because the license office will have to take responsibility of every documentation of the government in exile. So individuals don't play. We are in a government now. This is not a mere organization of IPOB as before. This is a government. So please go through your license officers Whatever complaint is on ground, the admin will take care of it. It will liaise with the rep. If the rep needs to bring PM in, it will come to the PM. Now, please, let's just go straight to the fundraising and questions and answers, not bringing in-house family issues here that will drag us. We can always solve that amicably inside the house. Thank you so much. Okoli, unmute yourself. And Maazi Azubike, if your hand is up for this same reason again, you better put your hand down. If you're coming back for this same reason, anyone that is coming back for this same issue, please put your hands down and let's go to the main issue.
You know, because some people may have not understood how this thing works. So I think anybody that have any issue in Italy should reach out to the European rep, and under my directive, he can come again to see how to resolve whatever you have, you know, so that all of you can come together and move on. But not here. Thank you.
Please, PM, can I ask this my question? Sonny, it's not about Italy. I want to say, please, I want to tell PM something, because PM, when he's doing this thing, he's broadcasting in space. He said that on, I don't know whether it's State of Nation, he said that he have forgiven everybody. And this Maazi Azubike, he was a senator with me. Maybe now, I would like him to ask PM what he want to ask, because I believe that he's coming back to us. Understand? So can we give him that chance to ask the question? It's not about Italy, but I'm happy to see him here. This is what I want to say.
When I saw the name, I was like, is it the same Azubike or somebody else? But then his voice was not coming out. So is it the person that we talked with one time like that, long time ago?
Yes, the Azubike that want to kill me. He said that I'm following you. So that's
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am the Azubike that you know. My name is Odom Azubike from Ugwadon Kaleke under Adolfo government Benue State. I use this opportunity to use our language. Say, Teje Odogwibai Onye Bebebo. I said I support their coming breaking the collar with sum of 50 euro, and my unborn children support with 50 euro as well, make it 100 euro. We stand, freedom we stand, and nothing will push us back. Mother Carolina, please don't go back there. We all understand what happened there, and we say sorry to each other.
Yeah.
Nothing will make us go back to.
I'm so happy.
That is all I have to say. And bravo. Because we are here to make BIAFRA come together. Since last week, our 50 people are missing in my community, and nothing Nigerian government are doing about them. We are the only Igbo people they put under.
Your network is not helping matter.
There is no way we can liberate ourselves without BIAFRA. We stand to make sure that BIAFRA come to reality here in Palermo and all over the world. Thank you very much.
All right, go and bring all your bodyguards. All your members.
PM.
The time has come.
Yes, because in Palermo is where things are happening. We do competition. Is where that big money are coming, and Napoli. So I'm so happy to see Azubike here. Understand? Yes. Thank you, BN.
Thank you. I remember him.
Thank you, Azubike. Keep in touch and bring everybody back. Thank you so much. We go to Okoli Joseph. Okoli Joseph, unmute yourself.
Okay, Papa. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Almost hail Biafra.
Almost hail Biafra.
Finish and the Mother Simon. Okoli Joseph. Ahi Bomo Chinebi. Azubike Abu coordinator. Azubike is my coordinator here in Palermo. We live in Palermo together. One of our brother here, Okeja, he donated 30 euro to welcome our Prime Minister here in Italy. Okeja, Onyebuchi Peter is his name. Onyebuchi Peter. He donated 30 euro to welcome our Prime Minister. And also, you see this Palermo, at least there's one sister who confirm about Palermo. Palermo is a big city. It's a capital of Sicily. People are here, many people. Here now, I'm in my shop, there's many people outside here. How do they go back? And the question can I do? How much will you support? How can you support? Too much arguments because Igbo people, we have brain. I need mind. But I need to wait till you. Only we had one na backyard. Only believe. A wise man, there one na backyard, a fisherman. Only Igbo. I need you have ribu now. Outside here. Man, the abo chairman. Abo chairman, come here. Abo chairman. Abo chairman is here now. And that's what I'm going to back. Abo chairman. I do go my chairman. The question that time there's one about guy who is making a statement before. I would like the guy now to talk with this about guy here now. If this come. And what on now? And what this man? And what this man? And what the India back? But every day man an argument. I'm more papa, my hand come more papa. I don't know if we book and name. I do a maracham. And what on now? And what the India book? Ani buribu one and the other but back it now even in the buribu here there are many.
What exactly can you have a problem? Can you have a problem? Yeah. Can you have
problem? My argument. My honor follow with you direct. My honorable, yes, follow with you direct.
Open up with me direct. Open up with me direct.
Yeah, you are the one of my mentors. I mean, like this thing, every so yes, 2019. But I made me see program, that made me say that.
Oh, yes, in the give it what is the
ihe ji dịka anyịwa dịka mụa bụ ndị abụ John Okubo ọzọ Igbo ndụ bịa abụ onye abụ ọnwụ oyibo odiboji ebe a ka eshi North East ebe a ka eshi ọzọ Igbo somehow the chairman the Palermo zone Italy ebe a inu jide onye ejirego onye ọzọ aga m elu unu na challenge anyị na-enweta azụ m na-ajụkarị dịka enyi m anọghị a because ihe mkpụ a na-achọ unity ka anyị nweta enwe anyị donation ka anyị nweta enwe anyị ka anyị nweta enwe ihe ji dịka anyị wa bụ ndị abụ because dịka part of anyị wa bụ East ọ dịka ha ga-agụ ya anyị wa na igwe otu because some things ha na-eme dịka anyị wa nọ some nọ here ha wada agụ esi na igwe otu dịka ha na-eme ọbụrụ onye wa
several times.
Gwa me hicho ka eme n'Italy na ka unu nwa na ndị otu gị niile bata.
Dịka ihe nchọ na dịka obodo anyị na be m nsogbu dị ebe a nsogbu dị ya ọ ala Biafra.
Yes.
Ọ ala Biafra nsogbu n'ọdịe iyotara so nsogbu n'ọdịe dat na ndị Hausa a na-egbucha ndị n'ọdịe ana onwe na-etinye n'anya ọnụ.
Yeah, akọzikwana akọzina nke ahụ that we are sealing entire Biafra land and the EKPA is the part of Biafra. So yes. That EKPA is part of Biafra, we are sealing it. Imana ihabu gradually. We are sealing an entire Biafra, 40 states of Biafra. We have mapped everything. So, but before that happens, we need support. It is, we are fighting a government that has billions to sponsor all these terrorists in Ahekokwe now. So we need support to be able to cover the entire Biafra. So we need support of everybody. And one thing Nunugamabuna, everybody must never together. It is impossible. But Unuwa Magodu no Magodu that na Biafra is possible and achievable. And you can see the green light now. Unu support however you can, because as you are supporting, other people will follow you and see that you are supporting, and they will follow you as well. Because without resources, it is going to be very difficult for us. So we need resources to cover the entire Biafra land. Inye 100,000 people is not easy. Igo Egbe, 100,000 people is not easy. It requires resources, and that's where we are going. So we need this money, we need these arms, we need this ammunition to be able to protect our land, including a land which is part of Biafra. We don't want any other person, we don't want to leave anybody behind. And that is why we are making this thing, having these meetings, going this tour to bring people like you on board. So please, whatever the problem is, me personally, you are speaking with me today, I will fix it in Italy, and all of you from Agbo will be part of what we are doing. So whatever it is, table it to me now and consider it done. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So on the behalf of my Agbo people here, I am giving the organization 100 views. Bravo.
Okay, so if you
bravo.
That's a very good one. I will be contacting Italy admins and I will be asking them about you, because I want to see your organization be part of Italy. My next
Please, his name, please. His name.
My name is John Okubo.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. So please try to the Italy admin, or please try to get his contact and keep in touch with him. Very important.
Thank you.
Please, somebody's waiting. She wants to bless us with the work. So
all right. Give him time. Give him 2 minutes, please. Ndewo. Ndewo. Your voice now is very low. I am not able to. We can't hear. We can't hear you.
Take the back to the other ear. Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Go ahead, better.
Okay, yes, I'm on. I have to go to the airport.
Una na the struggle, na Italy family.
I know.
In my next visit, I can try for game one. I can try for game one at this meeting. Udodi. Joseph onye nkonuko hapụzie ndị ọzọ ka ha kọntinue biko.
Can I say something?
Wanda Kalista, please can you come up and make your donation before you go, please? Wanda Kalista.
All right, we continue.
Please, the Kalista.
Can I say something?
What do you want to say?
Please, just a minute. What I want to say is this. I love what I'm seeing. I want to tell Italian people, PM said that he has forgiven everybody. We should come back together how we are before. So I want us to do competition with American people. I know that we Italy, we are too much here. We are almost 3 million in this Italy, Biafrans. So I want all of us to know anyone meaning about Fufu. So we work. So this happiness PM from today. Next time on Abia, yotago, Kaibaka Kono, Kaini Henano, Kaibi Italy, yotago, help or admin, call me Henano. Or method here, but Kaibaka Kono, almost a mistake in it. I have got PM or method. But I want to see Italy to be that is I put a 40,000 euro, 20,000 euro. Like that time, man, so I enjoyed now, and I believe that God will do it for us. No,
it's possible.
Caro, I will support you with this one. So American people want competition, please.
I want to trust my people. We are going to win you people. We are the one that is going to sponsor this struggle.
People. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate the PM for what.
Mama, please unmute Wanda Kalista. She want to give us some action.
Where's Kalista? My boss is the one in charge now. I don't know.
Kalista, go on. Continue your submission, Kalista.
Okay. I PM appreciate you for Italy, and what Carolina said is possible. And I want to please lead with the admin. You are my person. I don't have any issues with you. You know that very well. But I want to encourage you to reach out to all these people that have biases with you. Reach out to them. Call them. They are your family. They are your brothers. Anybody that is feeling ill-treated, reach out to them. Bring them back. If there's anybody you removed before, I am not in that group. You know that. And you know what happened. So if you want to bring me back in, there's no problem. But I'm already with you in this.
Nebai dalole nenu kunu si wene serena Igbo media di kunu si nesela aisna chuko ka bia mapuru miri na ya gozu nini nofu na chwa ikuru cha ko ya dedede ise kabakwa alo kiti ya lo nke gị na ihe niile na gbasata maka ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ana ndị ọzọ dị iche iche kabaro ka itinye alụ nke gị ife ichere n'ụdị nke gị gbasata maka ya bụ ife dịka anyị nọkwa na-echekwa olileanya na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya pụta oge na-adịghị anya na n'ụlọ mkpọrọ anyị sị na Chukwuka abịa maka inye ya ike nọnyere ya chekwaba ya mana anyị kwuru otu a ka ọ ya dịrịrị ise. Thank you, and also stay tuned at Eastern News 24. Kemesiano Ndebaya.